Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming code 43 in Device Manager. This tells you Windows detected a problem with the GPU. Next, note the exact GPU model and current driver version, because mismatched drivers cause this error. Once you have the vendor driver downloaded, boot into safe mode to avoid driver conflicts, and use Display Driver Uninstaller or Windows Rollback to remove the faulty driver cleanly. Make sure power cables are seated, and BIOS recognizes the card before continuing. Once done removing old drivers, perform a clean install using the vendor's custom installer. Select Clean Install or Custom, then uninstall previous drivers. This prevents leftover files. Then update your motherboard BIOS and chipset drivers because firmware incompatibility often triggers code 43. Also, physically reseat the GPU and verify PCIe power connectors. Intermittent contact can mimic driver faults. If you use a laptop, reinstall the OEM graphics driver first, then the vendor driver, to maintain hybrid graphics stability. Now test the card. After reinstalling and firmware updates, reboot and confirm Device Manager clears code 43, then run a short GPU stress test to validate stability. If the error persists, swap the GPU into a different PC or try a known good power supply to isolate hardware. Make sure to document temperatures and error behavior. If none of these work, contact vendor support for an RMA. But before that, restore a system image or backup. One troubleshooting tip. Safe mode plus a clean driver install often fixes phantom code 43 errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.